Hey guys, found a good deal here on the company I like, which is Proform. They make some really good stuff. And this right here is the treadmill that is very similar to the one I have that I've had for a long time now. And it's a good deal, $649.98. Can't beat it for the price. And this is at Sam's. So if you're looking for a treadmill for the right price, this is the one to get. Another item they got at Sam's is the insulated shopper bags for only $8.98. Come in green, purple, striped, kind of a bluish color. They're pretty cool looking and they work real well. Nice little insulated bag in here to carry your goodies from your store so it doesn't get ruined by the weather. So I think that's a really good deal, $8.98. Here's another in-store little treat here. It's Night Owl. Night Owl products, I like them. They're decent quality for what they are for the price. I mean, you got $3.99, 8x4. And then you got Night Owl Wi-Fi 4K, 8-channel, 8-camera. So that's a good deal, $5.99. You can't beat that for the price. I mean, the quality is pretty decent, and the customer service is pretty much spot on, in my opinion, compared to a lot of brands I've bought. So give that a check out also. Here's a bed that's sold at Costco, and it's on sale for $5.59 for the queen. My son bought one of these, and he just absolutely loves it. So that's what I can tell you. And he's a picky sleeper too. So you might want to check that out. So that's what I found at Sam's and Costco, and I hope it's helpful for your shopping. Good luck, God bless, and works for me.